Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something a lot of you have probably wondered about. Can you actually make money with acorns? Now, I know what you're thinking. Acorns? Those little brown nuts that squirrels love? Well, yes and no. I'm not talking about gathering acorns from your backyard and selling them at the farmer's market. Instead, I'm talking about the popular investing app Acorns. But before we get into the details, let's take a step back and talk about what Acorns actually is. In a nutshell, it's a micro-investing app that makes it easy for anyone to start investing, even if they don't have a lot of money to spare. How does it work? Well, you simply link your bank account to the app, and Acorns will automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 75 cents. This might not seem like a lot at first, but over time, it can add up to a significant amount of money. Plus, Acorns invests your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. So, can you actually make money with Acorns? The answer is yes, but it's important to manage your expectations. Acorns is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term investment strategy that requires patience and discipline. However, if you're willing to put in the time and effort, Acorns can be a great way to build wealth over time. Plus, it's a really convenient and easy-to-use app, so you don't have to spend a lot of time managing your investments. So, is Acorns worth it? That's a question only you can answer. But if you're looking for a simple and affordable way to start investing, Acorns is definitely worth considering. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about making money with Acorns. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching.